refrain washing over the dusty lane. Look at the corner, dusty, worn out face, a trailing cord lost in time and space, a handprint smudged, a memory of touch. This old machine, it remembers much. It hums a tune, a forgotten plea, for anyone left, for you and me. More arrive, a growing soft sound circling the air on hallowed ground. They strut and preen, a confident air, sharing the rhythm beyond compare. This encore plays for the sky above, no roaring crowd, just a silent love. A brassy swell, a hand clap beat for the pigeons gathered at my feet. The speaker whispers a sweet refrain, washing over the dusty lane. The last one lifts as the dawn's cool gray chases the last of the night away. But the melody lingers, it won't concede, planting a hopeful, persistent seed. See them wheel above the square, wing patterns drum in the air. This encore plays for the sky above, no roaring crowd, just a silent love. A brassy swell, a hand clap beat for the pigeons gathered at my feet. The speaker whispers a sweet refrain, washing over the dusty lane.